In the name of God, hello guys, I'm gonna today talk about facilities planning, and I'm so glad if I can help you through this course. The benefits of facilities planning is facilitating production processes and material flow, reducing material handling, reducing the amount of money that is invested, optimize using of place, optimize using of human resource, considering safety and ergonomics. One of the most popular methods here is Apple method, which have 20 steps. I'm gonna talk about them. The first is collecting information, and then analyzing primary information, designing production processes, designing material flow, analyzing material handling methods, calculating number of machines, designing workstation, choosing machines, harmonizing production activities, studying mutual production, determining needed storehouse, and determining place of producing activities, determining needed amount of area, allocating a special area for each production, investing about type of building, providing plan of factory, checking, evaluating, and ratification of plan, execution of plan, follow-up during operation. Here we have read method. I'm going to talk about the steps. The first is analyzing products and then determining needed processes, providing charts for layout, determining workstations, analyzing needed area, design corridors and office design, analyzing employee welfare, and evaluating factory service and considering development of factory. And I think this is enough for introduction to facilities planning, and I'm gonna talk about the other subjects in facilities planning in another video. Thank you for watching my video, and share it with your friends if you think they may need it in their university or anything. Thank you.